The reason I would bring a buyer to Redbird Ranch is because it is such a beautiful community.
Redbird Ranch actually is a beautiful neighborhood. You drive out here and it's a lot of mature trees, the entryway's fantastic. It's just a great place to be. When you make it out here, you know you're home.
A beautiful community, tons of trees, it feels wide open, it feels like you're out in the country, yet you're close to the city. The reaction from my customers when I bring them to Redbird Ranch is just incredible. They really love to see the open spaces that you have out here. They love to see the Junior Olympic-sized swimming pool. They love to see the bronze bulls as you come in the entryway. And they just get a feeling that they're still out in the country, yet they're still close in.
The Patriot Series, actually, it's pretty much has something for everybody. We got over 15 floor plans. We got ones that are, start from 1,400 square feet, almost up to 3,000 square feet. Master up, master down, 3 bedrooms, 4 bedrooms, 5 bedrooms, huge game rooms, so we pretty much have a fit for everybody.
A lot of home builders, they tell you what you're going to get, and that's it. With D.R. Horton, you get to choose exactly what you want in your home, exactly the colors, the style. The floor plans are just incredible as far as what there is to offer. Outside of the community of Redbird Ranch, they offer shopping is convenient, convenience to most highways, especially if you need access to Highway 90, that is really close by. I think that even though that this is a little ways out and it still has that country feel, you're still close to everything. You can be anywhere you want, probably in San Antonio, within about 25 minutes from here.
Now's a great time to buy here in San Antonio due to the fact that it is a buyer's market. If you're in the market of buying a home, this is a time to buy. The rates are low. They're the lowest they've been since 2003. So come on out this weekend or any weekend and visit Redbird Ranch.
It's the best value in town, really. That says it all. It has the most value and the most variety, and there's something for everyone. It's a wonderful place and you can rely on the value.
Redbird Ranch is a great community. We invite you to come out and visit us. We have 5 models to choose from, to look at, to view, so it would be a great way to spend your afternoon.